don't you cry. Wipe away the teardrop from your eye. Lying safe in bed, it was all a bad dream spinning in your head. Your mind tricked you to feel the pain of someone close to you leaving the game of life. So here it is, another chance. Wide awake, you face the day. The dream is over, or has it just begun? There's a place I like to hide, a doorway that I'll run through in the night. The next child, you were there, but only didn't realize, and you were scared. It's a place where you will learn to face your fears, retrace the years, and ride on wings of your mind. Commanding in another world, suddenly you hear and see this magic new dimension. I will be watching over you. I'm gonna help to see you through. We'll protect you in the night. I'm smiling next to you in silent lucidity. If you open your mind for me, you won't rely on open eyes to see the world you build within. Come tumbling down, a new world will begin. Living twice at once, you learn you're free from pain. In a dream domain, a soul set free to fly. A round-trip journey in your head, master of illusion. Can you realize the dream's alive? You can be the guide, but I will be watching over. Next to you in silent lucidity.
Yeah. Thank you, Al.